What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how I do YouTube affiliate marketing and how I'm making commissions with this new profession that we can do from our home. So let me check if I have some comments, and we are ready to go. So essentially, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and we can make commissions when we make a sale, and we can promote products from many softwares, websites such as clickbank.com, dstore24, JBSU, share a sale. You can find love ticket products to promote, but for me, I like to promote high ticket products because I can make more commissions. Now, let me show you quickly my affiliate dashboard for this product. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and I'm going to click on payouts so you can see these are my latest payments: $454, $128, and I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product. Sometimes I make more money and sometimes I make less money, but essentially I'm making commissions with this product. And let me show you quickly the product. So this is the 70 challenge. This is the love ticket product. The price is $9, and the company pays 40% commission if someone buy the product from one of my affiliate links. And if the person wants to upgrade their account to the high ticket product, the high ticket training, which is Free Accelerator, I can make that commission as well. So essentially, Freedom Accelerator costs $1,997. And what is cool about promoting high ticket products is that I just need to promote the love ticket, because making a sale of $1,997, it's kind of difficult. That is why I send traffic, I send referrals to the company, and if those persons buy, check this out, I have sent to this company 149 referrals. I have 24 customers. Right now I have $3 in unpaid earnings. But if someone of these people buy the products in the future, I can make those commissions. Now, let me show you the funnel. So the sales funnel that I use to collect leads, because by doing YouTube affiliate marketing, I'm not sending traffic to my affiliate links. I'm sending traffic to my sales funnel, because I'm interested in collecting the information of the prospect, which is basically their name and their email address. So, and for that, I use Funnel Free on Data.io, which is a software. This is an all-in-one marketing platform. And then I click on sites, and I'm going to click right now on Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. So this is the name of the funnel. And basically this funnel is integrated automatically inside of Funnel Free on Data.io. So I didn't create this sales funnel, because I bought this software because it has this 7 figures done for you affiliate system. So basically that is the reason why I bought this tool. Now, these are the funnel steps. It has the free course opt-in and the bridge phase, and then it has the member area, which is a free course. So let me click here so you can see the opt-in page. So I send traffic to this page using YouTube. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, they will see here, hey, take the free course. And if they scroll down, they will see my own picture, because I want to know I want people to know that I'm I'm the I'm the affiliate marketer that is promoting this product. And when people click on one of these buttons, where it says take the free course or this one, it's going to open this pop-up. So check this out. So here I can collect the name and their email address, and if they want they can write their phone number, but more importantly I have the email, and that information is important, guys, because basically the more emails I collect, the more money I can make. And right now I'm focusing on building my own email list. So, and I use Funnel Freedom. Here in this contacts tab I have all of my emails. So when someone opting in their information inside of that page, Funnel Freedom is going to send the free course through email, and then it's going to send an ordering sequence. So I have an email sequence which is integrated as well with Funnel Freedom Data. And basically Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails every single day. And when people receive those emails, and when they open those, when my email list open those emails, and if they click the links, those people will be clicking my affiliate links. So, and this is like the automated sales system that I have to promote multiple affiliate products. So check this out. I have 71 people enrolled on the first welcome sequence, and I have 65 on the second one, and so on and so forth. All these people are receiving this northern sequence. So that being said, this is like the first part. Because instead of sending traffic to this affiliate link, what I'm doing is that I'm promoting multiple affiliate products. So let me show you quickly. I'm going to go to Funnel Freedom and click on this tab where it says Funnel Freedom, because I'm promoting multiple affiliate products, and then I'm going to click on affiliate link settings, and check this out. Inside of this page I have my affiliate links for all of these products: Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Secret of Success, System Data Joe. And if I scroll down, I have my affiliate links for GetResponse, Udemy, InVideo, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Reports Data Joe. And so what I'm doing here is that I have my affiliate links inside of this page, because I'm utilizing the sales funnel to promote all of those products by sending traffic to that opt-in page. So like what I'm doing with affiliate marketing is that I have a main core offer, which is the high ticket product, which is Freedom Accelerator, and then I have supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3, and so on and so forth. I have these supporting offers, and once people opting in their information inside of that opt-in page that I will show it to you, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails, and inside of the emails I'm promoting all of those products. So when Funnel Freedom send an email, one of those emails is going to have my affiliate link, for example, for Secret of Success. And when Funnel Freedom send another email, Funnel Freedom is going to send an email, and inside of that email is going to have my affiliate link for GetResponse. And that's how I'm promoting all of these products. Now, that being said, that is like the first strategy, guys, to have a sales funnel. It's important to promote a product that you believe that is going to help other people. It's important to have a main core offer and then supporting offers. So once we have this system set up, I use YouTube to drive traffic to my sales funnel. So basically I'm going to show you the content that I create. For example, I have created a video, freedom accelerator review, and here you are going to find that I have these videos. For example, the first one has 335 views, the next one has 64 views, and by creating all of these videos, check this out, 390 views. By creating all of this content, that is how I'm driving customers to my sales funnel, because people are going to click, for example, on one of my videos, and then they will go to the description of my videos and check this out. Here I have pasted my link of my sales funnel. So this is my sales funnel, this is not my affiliate link. That is why I'm explaining to you guys that I'm not sending traffic to my affiliate links. I send traffic to my sales funnel. Now let me go back because I'm going to show you a cool strategy that I'm utilizing to grow my YouTube channel. Right now I have 1,370 subscribers, and what I'm doing to grow my YouTube channel, guys, is that I go to Google Trends and search for the keyword that I want to rank on YouTube. For example, in this case is affiliate marketing. Then I choose United States the past day, and sometimes I use the YouTube search and others the web search. But as you can see, right now I have YouTube search, and I'm going to scroll down, and here I can find the related queries. And I know that people are searching on YouTube for these keywords. So check this out. If I create a video and if I use this keyword for my title, what is affiliate marketing or digital marketing or clickbank affiliate marketing, I'm going to have a high probability that YouTube is going to share my video with more people. That is why you are seeing that in the title of this video, the name is YouTube affiliate marketing. Why? Because I did my keyword research, and check this out. This is the keyword that I found that is going to help my YouTube channel grow. YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners 2024. It has a TubeBuddy score of 85. And this keyword has 2,400 searches per month, which is a good keyword. So check this out. YouTube, look, what I'm doing is that I'm going to copy this title and I'm going to paste it here. So to do the keyword research, guys, I use two softwares, Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is a software that tells me if the keyword that I'm going to use for my title is going to help my YouTube channel grow. So here I have my TubeBuddy stats, and you are going to see that it's going to give me an overall score. And what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to find a good overall score. So check this out. This keyword has 85. So that is why I'm utilizing this keyword for my title. So it doesn't have like too much search volume, but it is good. It has very good weighted out competition, and it has an excellent optimization strength. So if I can find a keyword that it has like excellent on these three things, I'm going to have a high probability that YouTube is going to share that YouTube video with more people and to appear in the first results. So check this out. So that is the strategy that I'm using, guys, to grow my YouTube channel. And the more videos I create for my YouTube channel, and YouTube is helping me to reach more audience, and some people resonate with my own story and they click the links inside of the description of my YouTube videos, And if they put their information, they go to my own sales funnel, and that is how I'm making these commissions. So, and it's important, guys, for you to know that it takes time. It takes time to start getting these results. So when I started to promote this product, Freedom Accelerator, I didn't have results like in a few months, but I just keep like I kept creating content every single day. That is how I'm reaching more audience, and some of those people click my links in the description of the videos, put their information, they go through my sales funnel, they start receiving all the emails that I have set up to promote the products that I believe that are going to help them. Now, if you are looking, for example, to start affiliate marketing, so this is my number one recommended training, Freedom Accelerator. This has all the traffic strategies that you need to scale your business to the next level. For example, how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos. So this is in case that if you don't want to record YouTube videos, you can create this type of content and upload those videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. How to create faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, how to use Facebook Reels, DM closing. And basically, this is one of the most powerful phases on this training, phase number 2, how to use YouTube to generate leads to your own ecosystem of products. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.